Welcome back to From Zero with Hala. This struggle didn't happen before uploading. It happened after YouTube stayed silent. I uploaded consistently. I improved my editing. But my videos were still not getting views. I did everything I was told to do: editing, filming, uploading on time. But my videos weren't being shown. I kept refreshing analytics, waiting for a spike. Nothing happened. I thought YouTube was ignoring me, or maybe punishing my channel. I felt invisible. This is where many beginners quit. Not because they're bad, but because they're confused. So I stopped blaming YouTube and started studying my own videos. That changed everything. And I learned YouTube first tests your video. It doesn't push it immediately. It watches how people react. If people don't click, YouTube stops showing it. It's that simple. My thumbnails looked nice, but they didn't explain anything, so people skipped them. If you can simplify your approach, you amplify your impact. Focus on this one clear message. Click-through rate slowly improved. Not viral, but better. Then I looked at my titles. They were too generic. They said nothing new. I stopped writing for algorithm and started writing for humans. That mattered. It's hard when things don't go as planned. But I wonder, maybe these struggles are actually simple lessons in disguise. Then I checked my video start. I was explaining too much. Too early. I cut long intros. I started with the problem. Immediately. Retention improved. Slowly. But consistently. I stopped expecting instant growth. YouTube is slow for beginners, and that's okay. I focused on learning videos, not viral videos. That helped my mindset. I stopped changing topics. I stayed with my struggles. YouTube finally understood my channel. My audience became clearer. Returning viewers appeared. That felt different. And YouTube isn't broken. It reacts to signals. And signals are learnable. And low views don't mean failure. They mean feedback. You just need to read it. This struggle taught me patience and clarity, not shortcuts. If your videos aren't being shown, you're not alone. I was there. You're not bad. You're not late. You're learning. This was struggle number 8. If this helped you, stay with me. We're growing quietly.